What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Just got this absolutely gorgeous 1963 Cadillac Convertible. It's a DeVille model. Absolutely sweet ride. Just put brand new tires on it. We scrubbed off a little blue protective that was around the white walls there. Still got the fuzzies. So up to date on the DOT, etc., etc. Super clean ride. Love the turquoise paint. We also just put a brand new soft top on the car as well. So just picked it up from the paint shop. Excellent condition there. Obviously it's brand new. New rear window as well. So bumper looks good. Really nice in the back. Trunk as well. Super clean on the panels. Look at those quarters. Quarters, absolutely gorgeous quarters. Beautiful panels coming down the side. Got great gaps on the doors. Open and close real easy. Check out these hubcaps. They look brand new. Beautiful condition. There's the tires, like I was saying, they're brand new. So very nice, very nice. Fires right up like she should. Also want to just point out the interior. The interior's been redone. Beautiful condition on the seats. Front and back. Door panels look great as well. Power windows work. Give it a little fire up here. There she is. Fired right up. You got that butter smooth power steering. Obviously a very quiet car. Looks like it actually maybe used to have a cruise control. We have not tried that, but turn these lights on so when we get out, we can check that out. So, other things, just looking around, dash super clean. Doesn't have any cracks on it. Very nice, very nice. Show that window going up. Window going up and down. Got the backs going up, going down. Same on that one. So excellent there. Headlights. The clutch is on there for the AC. Power steer, power brakes, nice engine bay, motor just idling real still there. Alright y'all, just backed her out of the shop here. We're gonna go for a ride in this Caddy. Got her warmed up, she is running like a dream. Speedo gauge is working there. It's always nice. Brakes feel good. Let's go. Got one finger on the wheel. About 40. It's got that super quiet exhaust. Real comfortable. Got that long wheelbase. Got that nice, or should I say smooth, butter smooth ride as you'd expect from the Caddy. No shakes, no rattles. Tracking down the road real straight. I just got, a couple fingers on the wheel. I like it. I like it a lot. stopping with a straight line. So that's what we're looking for. Works great. Y'all, we have nationwide shipping as well as financing available. If I can earn your business. Oh man. What's up, man? Man, just turning heads everywhere, you know? Yeah, that's what these classic cars do. Be known for the thumbs up around the neighborhood. That's for sure. Y'all let me know I can earn your business. Thanks.